Hello everyone, welcome to Zorba Reviews. In this particular video, I want to showcase how to do connection from your amplifier to your passive speakers. So this is a stereo speaker. That means it has left and right channel. If it is a mono amplifier, it could have been single channel. That means only one speaker can be connected. But this is a four-way stereo amplifier. That means you can connect four different speakers, two on the left, two on the right. There is a question for asking, the question being asked for me was two type of question. One is, how can you connect a single speaker to a stereo amplifier? If you have a single speaker, people usually connect it in the left channel or in the right channel, but you should understand that you are not getting the sound quality what it's supposed to be. You're only playing what it plays on left channel. The instrument or the notes that being played on the other channel will not be heard on your speaker. Also, how to connect a subwoofer for your amplifier when you have two speakers like this. Imagine you have an amplifier, have one, two speakers, and you want to add extra sub. I have a different set of sub, but like if you are going to use a sub, how to connect? Let me show you this. So you don't need to do anything in the front, it's about the back side. Let me turn this back and show it to you. Here you can see that this is a four-way speaker system, and you have two left channels and two right channels. What I've done for this demo, I've connected a single speaker to this amplifier in this certain way. Okay, as you can see, just keep one on the right channel, one on the left channel, so that your speaker will play without any problem. You should not keep the load on one side. Always balance the load. So if your amplifier, you need to balance the load. Plus, if you are connecting this way only, you will be able to play it on single speaker without losing any sound that has been played. So hope this been helpful to you. And if you are going to connect a sub, for example, now I have a right channel here and another speaker left channel here. Now I want to add a subwoofer to this amplifier. For that, you need to do the same thing. Imagine you have connected one speaker here and another speaker here. You have a subwoofer. Now you will either be creating it connecting it in the left or in the right, which is wrong. You need to connect one on the left down and one on the right, so that your amp is on balance mode. Or you can simply do like me. You just don't do this, you just have the speakers connected here, but you need to buy an active subwoofer. For active subwoofer, you just have to buy a audio splitter and have it connected with your aux cable and have the split done, and it still works. So in my opinion, it is very simple to connect a sub to this amps, and you don't find this information from other people who are talking. They directly connect it and show it to you. They don't explain you what is the issue in connecting in such a way. People have even connected one speaker to their amps, and they're using it in one channel only. That's not right. Don't do that. Try to have it connected the way I have showed it, so that you can rectify most of that issue of having the distortion in your sound. And that's all for this video. I just wanted to show it to you guys because one of the comment has been come on how to do the connection, so I wanted to make a video on that. Please let me know if you have any doubts or on how to do something. I will help you to demonstrate on that. What you have seen, the one mono speaker, I have tested it, but I don't have time to show a demo for you. So you can try it. It works. It's no issues. Do not worry about any damages to the speaker. The damage happens when you do it on one side only, because load is going on one side. That's bad for your amplifier, but this way you are able to at least save it to it. But always suggestion for an stereo speaker, better connect two speakers. If you don't have an option, then you can go for this. All right, thanks everyone. Bye bye.